Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. Shutdown restrictions imposed in Odisha's Cuttack city has been lifted while conditional opening of shopping malls has been allowed. However, weekend shutdown restrictions and previous COVID-19 restrictions will remain in force in the city. Night curfew will be imposed from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. daily. The VSSUT in Odisha has come up with a robot-assisted device that uses shortwave ultraviolet ray for sanitization. Developed by the Robotics Club of the VSSUT, the ultraviolet disinfector can be useful in maintaining hygiene. This device has a camera which gives a real-time video of the area where it will be deployed for sanitization. Speaking to TOI from her home in Bhubaneswar, Duty said, I have exhausted all my money set aside for Olympic training during the lockdown. Now that the Olympic Games are postponed, I need nearly rupees 25 lakh to meet my training expenses for the Tokyo Games. So I have decided to sell my car. Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan and his son Abhishek Bachchan have tested positive for COVID-19. Later on the day, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and her daughter Aradhya Bachchan have also tested positive for COVID-19. The 77-year-old actor has now been hospitalized. With Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot in Delhi to meet Congress High Command and his camp claiming support of 25 MLAs, the Congress is trying to pacify factions led by him and Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot to save itself more embarrassment as well as the party's government in the state. The MLAs from the pilot camp are said to be lost at different places, with about a dozen at ITC Grand in Gurugram and a few others are at ITC Maurya in Delhi. A severe flood warning was issued by Assam and Arunachal Pradesh today after the water in the Brahmaputra river started flowing above danger mark and heavy rainfall continued in the state for the fourth day. The Central Water Commission issued the flood warning for both states. Over 8 lakh people have been affected by floods in Assam across 1,352 villages in 21 districts. A new comet, which was discovered by NASA's Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer telescope, will be clearly visible to the naked eye from July 14th, giving new hope to sky watchers. It can be seen by sky watchers at pre-dawn. Gurugram twins Anindita Mishra and her brother Aditya Mishra not just look identical but have also scored an identical percentage of 99.2% in ICSE Class 10 exam. The IIT Delhi has developed an ozone-based decontamination device to reduce biomedical waste and enable safe reuse of N95 face masks. The device called Chakra Deco-V will help reuse a mask up to 10 times. It was launched on Friday via video conference by Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Ashwini Kumar Chaubey. US President Donald Trump wore a mask in public during a visit to a military hospital Saturday, falling in line with the recommendations of his public health officials and experts. The American president had refused to wear a mask in public, triggering a political war about facial coverings. Leisure facilities and beauty services in England will be allowed to reopen, the government has announced. Pools, gyms, nail bars and tattooists will be able to open their doors again, and team sports starting with cricket will be allowed to resume. Outdoor performances will also be able to resume with limited audiences. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website www.karwakispeaks.com for more updates, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.